Hilarious. Very funny. His joke was so hilarious. The baby's reaction was hilarious. Obese. Very fat. The doctor said he is obese. Obese people should avoid junk food. Deafening. Very noisy. The siren outside was deafening. The music at the party is deafening. Filthy. Very dirty. He cleaned his filthy shoes. The floor was filthy after the rain. Fearful. Very afraid. The child was fearful of the dark. He is fearful of flying in planes. Soaked. Very wet. The towel is soaked with water. He was soaked after falling in the pool. Swamped. Very busy. I am swamped with work today. The office is always swamped on Mondays. Beautiful. Very pretty. What a beautiful flower. The necklace is truly beautiful. Gleaming. Very shiny. The diamond was gleaming in the light. The car is gleaming after a wash. Bustling. Very crowded. The station was bustling with people. The city is always bustling during the day. Kind. Very nice. He is kind to everyone. He said kind words to me. Timid. Very shy. She felt timid about speaking in class. He was too timid to ask for help.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!